Hey everyone, thank you for watching this very special episode of Cooking with CBD Hemp Oil. I'm David Shorey from Forever Grey Market.
I'm Jared Blazer from Blazer Baked.
This episode is sponsored by Forever Grey Market. We're going to be using their PCR CBD oil. A big thank you to Will from Fearless Few Productions, who's recording this, as well as obviously Jared Blazer, who's the president of Blazer Baked. So if anybody watching this, if you want to get some PCR hemp oil to cook with yourself, please go to forevergreenmarket.com. And to get 20% off, use code word polka dot. All right, so today we're doing smoothies, right?
Yep, we're gonna do a keto avocado strawberry smoothie today.
Starting with the keto.
Real simple, 4 ingredients. We wanna start off nice and easy.
Sounds good.
Strawberries.
Okay, strawberries, awesome. Why strawberries?
So there are 3 really main berries that you wanna use for your keto diet. Raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. Strawberries are going to be sweetest. They do still have a low sugar content for the keto diet.
Okay.
If you use blueberries, raspberries are going to have a little bit more of a tart smoothie. I just like a little bit sweeter, so
awesome.
I'm sticking with strawberries today, but feel free to play around with your smoothies.
Okay. And avocado.
Avocado next. Beautiful.
Why are you using avocado?
So avocado, other than living in San Diego and it's in every meal, avocado or saturated fats are great when you pair them with CBD.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So saturated fats increase the bioavailability or the uptake and the efficiency of your CBD.
Very nice.
Forever Green Market. Doesn't add fillers and whatnot to the oils.
That's right. We're purists.
We like to eat healthy. Take our CBD.
And to give people their money's worth, because if you're buying CBD, you want a bottle full of it. You don't want a bottle full of CBD and MCT oil, right?
Exactly.
That's awesome.
So again, I like to use almond milk. Use unsweetened, again, keeping in line with that keto diet, less sugar.
Okay. Very cool.
And a little bit of stevia.
Is there any trick to putting in the ingredients, or is it okay just to put everything in?
With this one, you can generally mix it in. Okay. As far as smoothie law goes, smoothie law.
I like that.
You want to put your lighter ingredients first in, and then your heavier on top. Gravity will help you, work with you, help blend it up nicely.
Okay.
For this stuff, we can put it in all.
So that's
together.
it. That's a total of what?
That is it.
Did we get the CBD oil? Did we get that?
The most important part.
So what's the recommended dosage?
So for the PCR hemp oil, we're gonna wind up using, I generally like to have about 20 milligrams in my smoothies.
Okay.
So we're gonna use about 2/3 of this dropper twice.
Okay.
And so you can kind of see the one right there.
Oh, for everybody watching, this is the 500 milligram bottle. So I think one serving on the label is 10 milligrams, which is 2/3 of the tincture amount. So like Jared said, you're doing 2 of them?
I'm gonna do 2 of them.
So that's where you get the 20 milligrams. It's 2 servings of the 10 milligram dosage.
Perfect.
Awesome.
And go ahead and tighten this back up.
I'll take care of that.
And the magic. But so now that we've got everything mixed together, we're just gonna go ahead. I like to give it about 20-30 seconds of a blend once it's on.
All right, so here it is.
This is our keto strawberry avocado smoothie for all you keto followers out there. So it's gonna be high in fat, low in sugars, no carbs.
Very nice. Thank you for watching this very special episode of Cooking with Hemp. I'm David Shorey from Forever Grey Market.
And I'm Jared Blazer from Blazer Baked.
Please visit us at forevergreenmarket.com. Use code word polka dot to get 20% off your own hemp oil for your recipes. And please check out our YouTube channel to see more video content coming soon.